Charlie the steak.
What? No. More like Charlie the shit penis.
Oh my god. This game sucks. This game is about Charlie the steak likes going on failure adventures. But the worst part is he sticks his tongue, which makes people angry. Look at this. Oh shit. Who put that picture there?
Ha 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 ha. You shouldn't seen your childhood show character twerking. It was so fucking funny.
No. It was not funny. You faggot.
Oh come on, you have to admit I got you really good. Ha 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 ha.
God fucking damn it. You bought Barney.
No, I think the loud talking we're making make him teleported here.
Hey Toodles!
What is it?
I love you, you love me. We will go to put on a happy awesome song.
Hey. What the fuck? You just shit on the TikTok video.
That is very funny and disgusting at the same time.
I love you, you love me. This poop is very yummy like cupcakes.
That's it. I will turn you into a blueberry.
Please wait, I'm sorry, forget.